Hi, today we're going to make this pretty party hat with the Peony Flower. You will need to download the party hat and the Peony Flower template. I have left a link below this video. Once you have printed and cut out the templates, we'll make the party hat first. Add a strip of glue along the side of the party hat. Fold the paper to form a cone shape by overlapping the two corners. Hold the hat in place and allow the glue to dry. The next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to put together the peony flower. The pattern is from Circuit Design Space, and that's how I cut the flower. However, if you don't have a machine cutter, you can also cut the flower by hand. Firstly, with the two smaller petals, assemble them by adding a small dab of glue to the side of the petal and attach the other side of the flower. The next step is to assemble the middle-sized flower. Add some glue to the sides of the petal and fold the other side onto the glue. With the two larger petals, add glue to the center of the largest petal, then stick the other petal over the glue. Next, glue both middle side petals onto the larger petals. And do the same with the smaller petals. For the center of the flower, glue both centers together, then glue them onto the center of the large flower. Attach the flowers to the party hat. Finish off by hole punching on the bottom of both sides of the party hat. Tie a ribbon or elastic through each hole. This party hat is perfect for any special occasion, for birthdays, hen parties to Christmas celebrations.